Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to do a LS activity. In that we have watched a beautiful video about how infinity will work on our real life, and how can we take mathematical examples and some methods to help to make decisions in our life.
I agree with my point. And real life example is endless journey. Like to
Yeah.
example endless journey. Like to learning and growing continuously. But just like a road, you never sees end of the road. Sometimes sometimes we'll continue and moving forward. Mm. Sometimes it's easy and sometimes will difficult. Then we choose path in easy way to move it. Then then endless journey is learning and growing lifelong and infinity means always moving and always continuous. That's my point.
According to my person, discuss with your friends. Okay. According to my purpose, infinity in no endless are not limit. Limit infinite. Uh, we we learn something. We learn something in studies purpose. Uh, like study some uh, social knowledge or space knowledge. We study infinity.
Generally use infinity in mathematics and physics. In real life, we can use it in our imagination, love, kindness, desire, endless. The infinite means there is no limit. It is always continuous. And in our real life, we you love someone with endless thoughts. There is in our goal we have prepared infinity, infinite times, and we can reach our goal. And in our learning habits, we can the not learning anything as infinity. There is no limits for our brains.
As we all watched in the video, that speaker confesses that uh, uh, in the universe there is a infinity chaos, but from that we can make a precise thing like electron. Like that only from from our infinity imaginations we can make one thing that really matters, and we can make something from that infinity, as from my perception. From my perception.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you. Good afternoon, everyone. We are doing LS activity. Just before come to this, I saw a beautiful video about infinity. The speaker Asim also he is telling very beautiful. His words are still rotating in my mind. He is telling about infinity. It is a generally used in mathematics and physics also. In example, in a solar universe, there is a no measurement about it. If scientists also don't know how solar universe is. And uh, in affection of love, mother affection of love is there is no not calculated. It is infinity. If mother loves daily and our human thoughts also it is positive way and our negative way. There is no uh,
Yes,
and
I,
it's full.
yes, I agree with your points. Infinity concept, nothing but mathematical concept. It is also helpful for understanding the real life scenarios. Um, for example, when I see the sky, um, I feel like some things are not endless, and also this concept helpful for understanding the value of patience and continuous learning related to infinity concept. Continuous learning has no limit.
That's Jayanti. Absolutely, you are correct. In my perception, there is the small children's like 5 to 6 years. There are we they said anytime question why if our answer is correct, but they continuously tell asking about why. There is no chance to stop the topic. But if any says the children's ask about why, though the children's thoughts have infinity. This is my perception.
In my perception, infinity means something has no end. Let me explain. Simple example. Can you start counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? There is no there is no there is no end. How there is no end. How we long counting the numbers. This is what we will infinity has existing in the world.
Yes, I would like to share about one thing. In internet or browse the anything, there is infinity matter is there, and there is no end of the topic. There is so much of images like videos about the topic that like the infinity there is exist.
Finally, we conclude that this is
Yes, in my perception, you are right. In Google also there is so much of information in Google. There is no end. There is infinity and like ChatGPT also in our daily life there is a social geometrical knowledge, geometry knowledge. There is so much of information in there in our India. In if you see our India,
yes, I believe this infinity concept is useful for us.
Yes, Jayanti, absolutely correct. In our life, the learning is so important. The learning is so infinite. If the how much we learn from the books or anywhere, the continuously learning are there, and so much of uh, that we conclude this topic. There is no uh, finite number of in any ways. There are so many infinities for anything in our life or studies or in our thoughts. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are doing LS activity about watching a beautiful video that explains the concept of infinity and the universe. Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing about. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing a LS activity about watching a video like the the speaker who explains the concept of uh, universe and the infinity. Universe is nothing but a having no is a concept having no limits and ends. It goes forever. Like in real life, we will saw adding number of adding numbers like 1, 2, 3. It goes on forever. What did you tell about it?
In my point of view of infinity concept, I'm seeing in daily life like night we see stars as infinity. In today we see stars in next day we can't see same stars in the same position. It's like a infinity star. And also we saw the time we experience time in go forward, but is no ending of time. We are the limits. We are the limited person in the universe. Time is not.
Yes, you are right. According to my perception, yes, infinity has no limit and no, it is endless. Because human thinking, human thoughts also included because mm, we are thinking about any situation or any idea or any question about the topic. The number of ideas and thoughts will comes under our mind, and I think it is infinite. And also, uh, anyone people can say mother's love. Your mother loving you infinite. It's like that love is infinite. And also that sky, we can take the sky. It will seems like it's going on, but the scientists the scientists do not find that Earth is have no boundaries, so it is comes under infinity.
Okay, according to your perception, you think about the positive side of the infinity. In my perception, I maybe think about negative side. Like you said that your thought is have infinity, but you take any actions on it. You take any actions on it.
Now, in my life, I think when I am taking any decision or anything about any situation, when I am thought, I think a number of ideas or I think a number of ideas and number of concept will think about that the situation and apply it. It will useful to improve myself.
What about
You say thoughts. Many people using their thoughts in good way, but some people thoughts like overthinking is a bad point of view. That person is facing many problems. That I think the thoughts have also have dreams. We see in dreams like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, but in actual world there is a about much time than they see the dream. That I think
what? Infinity is a like a Your dreams have a limit, not have a limits.
Yes.
What?
Also have a, we seeing like a black holes. Black holes have no gravity. They have light bending the
Characters.
black. The the black holes is a much infinity.
Infinity of gravity.
Yes.
What you're thinking about the infinity?
According to my perception, maybe I think the negative side of the infinity. Like I listen a theory about adding adding 1, 2, 3, 4. About according to infinity, it will be take negative numbers like -1 or -1/2. But they have no proofs. But scientists like C.V. Ramanujan told that uh, adding infinity number of will be lead to -1/2. I saw in a YouTube video. I think maybe have infinity have two sides, either positive or negative sides.
Yes. Many people thinking about why like a negative. It's a adding process. It is a adding process. Like 1 plus 2 is 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. That like we have only positive. We can't say that we only positive that in way. Also a negative. No, we can't count that in infinity. Just
So in conclusion, we have to say that infinity have both positive side and a negative side. It have no limits and uh, ends. It goes forever. Thanks.